Welcome back. Now, in the last video, we talked about the fact that in some of the integrations, you'll notice that there is a gear and it's orange. And that gear represents Zapier integrations that are really third-party applications being brought together in this one application. So in order to find out those web applications that integrate with Zapier and Mailchimp, you'll need to first go to Google. And a simple search will determine the integrations. For example, if you write in Mailchimp, then Zapier, then integration. And the very first search result will be Mailchimp integrations with Zapier. You'll want to click inside of this link. And if you'll scroll down, you'll be able to determine which applications work with Zapier and Mailchimp. Now you'll see a number of 100 different applications. If you browse through the list of integrations, you'll see that there are going to be at least 100 and even more. In fact, there's a message here on the integration page that says Mailchimp now connects to 1,000 apps on Zapier. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to sign up for a free account and then go into your account to determine which apps integrate directly with Mailchimp. And when you get to the page that says Explore Workflow Ideas, you're going to write in Mailchimp here. And then you'll click Mailchimp. And then one way to scroll through the different applications that work with Mailchimp is to write in the application that you want to integrate with. Once you have that application, you'll then click it. And if you scroll down, you'll see the exact integration that works together with Mailchimp. Now, if you just want to browse all of the integrations that work with Mailchimp, what you'll do is you'll get rid of the Go to Webinar here, and then you'll be able to scroll through each of the integrations that actually work with Mailchimp. And you'll scroll down to the bottom, and they'll keep asking you to show you more. Now, a Zapier integration will take you through a process once you have set up your account. You can start with a free account with Zapier, and you can also move up to a paid account if you find it necessary. By clicking Use this Zap, you'll go through a process that will be outlined for you in this description page. In order to get started connecting the two applications, what you'll need to do is to click Create this Zap. And that will take you through integrating the two web applications. So again, if you find that the direct integrations do not work for you, one other alternative to use would be to use Zapier to do a search and then to determine whether or not you'd want to invest in a paid account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.